By 2030, the cash in your wallet might be illegal to refuse. But here's the twist nobody's talking about. The countries you'd expect to lead this? They just said no. So who's actually building the future of money? And who just hit the brakes? Let's talk about CBDCs. CBDC, Central Bank Digital Currency. Sounds boring, right? It's not a coin, it's not crypto, it's not Bitcoin's cousin. It's your central bank, the Fed, the Bank of England, the ECB, issuing digital cash directly to you. No bank in the middle, no paper, just code, tracked at the source. And it's not sci-fi anymore. As of 2026, over 130 countries are exploring one. 3 have already fully launched: the Bahamas, Jamaica, and Nigeria. But the real story? It's happening at very different speeds in very different places. The China example, real and massive. China isn't waiting. Their digital yuan, the e-CNY, has already processed over $2 trillion in transactions. It's built into WeChat Pay and Alipay. Some government salaries are already paid in it. And in January 2026, China made it interest-bearing, turning it from digital cash into something that looks a lot more like a tracked digital bank account. Which raises the question, if your money can now see everything you buy, who else can? Here's where it gets interesting. In 2025, the United States passed the Genius Act, and it did the opposite of what you'd expect. It banned the Federal Reserve from ever issuing a retail CBDC to the public. Canada and Australia? They've quietly deprioritized their own retail CBDC projects too. And the UK and the Eurozone? Still years away. The digital euro isn't expected before 2029 at the earliest. So no, cash isn't disappearing everywhere by 2030. But something else is happening everywhere. While governments argue over CBDCs, private stablecoins, digital dollars issued by companies, not central banks, are quietly becoming the real cash of the internet. Cross-border payments, remittances. Even big banks like JP Morgan are running their own digital tokens. So the real question for 2030 isn't, will cash disappear? It's this: who do you trust to hold your money's memory? A government, a company, or no one at all? Supporters say programmable. Digital money means faster payments, less fraud, more financial access for billions of unbanked people. Critics say it means every purchase, every transaction, every dollar, permanently traceable and potentially controllable by whoever issues it. Both sides are right about something. That's what makes this the biggest financial shift of our lifetime, and almost nobody's paying attention. This isn't a 5-year story. It's already happening, quietly, country by country. If you want to actually understand where your money is headed before it happens to you, hit subscribe, because I'm tracking every single country's move on this, week by week. Drop a comment. Would you use a digital currency if it meant giving up cash forever? Let's talk in the comments.